Did you know that a common parasite can live in your muscles for years after you eat undercooked meat? Welcome to the world of Trichinellosis. Number 1. What is Trichinellosis? Trichinosis. Trichinellosis is a parasitic infection caused by roundworms of the genus Trichinella. It occurs when people eat raw or undercooked meat, usually pork or wild game, that contains infective larvae. Number 2. What is the life cycle of Trichinellosis? Humans get infected by eating undercooked meat, usually pork or wild game, containing encysted Trichinella larvae. In the stomach, the cysts break open, and larvae are released. These larvae mature into adult worms in the small intestine. Female worms produce new larvae that enter the bloodstream and migrate to skeletal muscles, where they encyst and can remain for years. The cycle continues when infected meat is eaten by another host. Number 3. How is Trichinellosis transmitted? It is transmitted by consuming undercooked or raw meat, especially pork, wild boar, bear, or other carnivorous, omnivorous animals that contain Trichinella cysts. Number 4. What are the symptoms of Trichinellosis? Early symptoms, 1 to 2 days after infection, include nausea, diarrhea, vomiting, and abdominal pain. As the larvae spread to muscles, after about a week, symptoms like fever, muscle pain, swelling around the eyes, headache, and fatigue may appear. In severe cases, it can lead to difficulty in breathing, heart problems, or neurological issues. No. 5. Who is at risk of getting Trichinellosis? People at risk of getting Trichinellosis include those who eat undercooked or raw pork or wild game meat, such as hunters and their families. It's also more common in areas where meat inspection is poor or food safety practices are not strictly followed. Number 6. How is Trichinellosis diagnosed? Trichinellosis is diagnosed based on clinical symptoms, a history of eating undercooked meat, and blood tests showing high eosinophil count or elevated muscle enzymes. It can be confirmed with serologic tests, antibody detection, or, in some cases, a muscle biopsy to detect encysted larvae. Number 7. How is Trichinellosis treated? Trichinellosis is treated with antiparasitic medications like albendazole or mebendazole, especially in the early stages. In more severe cases, corticosteroids may be given to reduce inflammation caused by migrating larvae. Supportive care is also provided based on symptoms. Number 8. Can Trichinellosis be fatal? Yes, Trichinellosis can be fatal, though it is rare. Severe infections may lead to serious complications like myocarditis, heart inflammation, encephalitis, brain inflammation, or respiratory failure, which can be life-threatening if not treated promptly. Number 9. How can Trichinellosis be prevented? Trichinellosis can be prevented by cooking meat thoroughly, especially pork and wild game, to an internal temperature of at least 71 degrees Celsius, 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid eating raw or undercooked meat, follow proper food safety practices, and ensure meat is sourced from reliable, inspected sources. Number 10. Can Trichinellosis spread from person to person? No, Trichinellosis is not contagious and does not spread from one person to another. Number 11. Is Trichinellosis common today? Trichinellosis is rare today in countries with strict meat inspection and food safety regulations. However, it can still occur, especially in regions where wild game is consumed or where meat is not properly inspected or cooked. Thanks for watching. Keep your meals safe and your knowledge sharper. If you found this video useful, like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Stay informed and stay healthy.